Yeah, still Friday, 2nd of January. I got the front door and the rear overhead door open in my little building. Just flushing out the airstream. When I first started rolling my own cigs, I was using a Powermatic 2 machine. And then I discovered the Powermatic 3, which is more automatic. Powermatic 2, you load the fill chamber by hand, and Powermatic 3, it automatically loads the fill chamber. You just load up this compartment with your tobacci. This is approximately 2 packs when full. There's one major variable. You've got to shred your tobacco. As it comes in the bag, it's actually more considered pipe tobacco. I use 100% natural. It's unflavored. It's just straight tobacco. But because it's a long leaf product, it does not load into the chamber very well at all on a Powermatic 3. Powermatic 2, it's fine because you're manually loading the chamber. So the big variable is how fine the grind is that you use. I've got this little tobacco shredder I got off of Amazon. You push this green button up here, I'll load the chamber where it's about flush right here, put the lid back on, and I pulse grind. You do that, it turns into fine dust. But I pulse it and shake it about 4 times, and it gets a real conducive grind for the Powermatic 3 cigarette machine. So, how many packs do you get out of 1 pound of tobacco? Using my Powermatic 2 without shredding, my average was 20 to 22 packs per pound. Using the Powermatic 3 with shredding, it's 21 packs plus 2 loose. That's what's in the ashtray. And I'm pretty certain that's going to be real consistent, and it's all based on the fineness of the grind. The finer the grind, the less the yield. So, halfway between 20 and 22 is 21, and lo and behold, I'm getting 21 using my Powermatic 3 machine. That means the cost of the tobacco per pack is right around 55 cents for the tobacco per pack. Cigarette tubes, I can't remember, maybe 20 cents a piece, maybe 2 cents a piece, so 40 cents a pack. So I've got less than $1 per pack with the cigarette tobacco and tubes. Less than $1 a pack. I'm using $1.12 a pack as my in-head cost per pack of cigarettes. Before I started rolling my own, I was smoking Pall Mall Reds here in Texas, and I was at a store the other day and they were $9 a pack. That's $90 a carton. So I'm rolling my own. I'm saving approximately 89% per pack. The smoke quality is night and day. They put so much crap in factory cigarettes now, all kinds of nasty chemicals, and it's government mandated. They burn your tongue, burn your throat. They stink to high heaven. They're just nasty. Using my 100% natural tobacco, it's 100% natural tobacco. It's a very, very smooth flavor, decent nicotine level, but there's no garbage added to it. It's straight tobacco. It's a night and day difference. So I like them. The cost savings is just a huge bonus, and I'll take that too. Time wise, if I concentrate on it and don't take a lot of breaks, I can roll 4 packs an hour and put them in my hard cases pretty damn easily. It takes almost as long to take the individual cigarettes and put them in my hard case as it does to roll the 20 cigarettes. Scrap rate is less than 0.5%, either through a bad tube, a torn tube, or a partially filled tube. Less than 0.5%. It's nothing. And tubes I get on Amazon, they're Zen brand tubes, $250 in a box. They call them full flavor cigarette tubes. They're king size, and they're filtered tubes. Tobacco I get from Windy City Cigars. They're on the internet. They're up near Chicago. Crazy nice people. The prices are phenomenal. Their shipping is fair. I buy my tobacco in 1 pound bags. You can also buy it in a 5 pound bag. I prefer the 1 pound bags. They're vacuum sealed, so until I cut the bag open and start using it, they stay fresh. And during my rolling of 21 packs, it could take a while, up to 2 or 3 weeks, probably closer to 3. And the tobacco remains fresh. I keep the bag sealed, and I put a black springy clip on the bag too to kind of double seal it, so that helps. And zero issues on shipment of the tobacco, and zero issues on shipment of the tubes via Amazon. So 21 packs per pound. In case you're wondering, that's what it is. That's all for this one. Thank you.